Hello, my name is Colin Morrison and I'm co-founder here at NovaAI. NovaAI aims to bring the advancements of artificial intelligence to the property management industry. Currently, most property managers use old, outdated software. This software does not provide any time-saving abilities and is basically just a database to hold information. Our goal is to eventually build a full-stack platform with AI integrated that allows users to save tons of time throughout their day. So our first product has to do with searching rules and regulations documents. So a basic RAG application is what I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. So here you can see we have our dashboard, we have our tenants. You can see right here we have our little overview widgets. Total needs attention. This is just going to give you a high-level overview of what you have and what needs to be taken care of. So let's walk you through a basic workflow. Let's say a property manager is out. They see that a tenant has left trash out in front of their door for a couple days. What they're going to do is they can easily just come in here, create a warning. How do you want the tone to be? Is essentially, do you want the AI to generate information that is more lighthearted, like, hey, don't do this again, or do you want it to be more stern, saying, hey, this is bad, you're in trouble? So we can start with the stern one. Just go and select your property, select your tenant, who it's going to be, set a follow-up date of when this needs to be checked up on or completed by. Pull is in the address. So let's go ahead and search. So trash has been left out in the hallway. You're going to search. What's going to happen is AI is going to go and search your documents. It's going to give you the rules and a little quick summary. Right now that's not hooked up because we have been testing some other things. So let's say that's good, you're ready to go. Preview. Takes just a second, and then voila, there you go. So this is your notice. This is essentially a basic template that we have. And we allow users to upload company images. We format dates, the people's information, what this is, subject, templated basic information. All this will be editable to the user. You have your resolve by date, closing. So that's that. And then what I will show you, you're able to upload pictures. I don't have any pictures for this, but if you upload it, it gets tagged onto the back of the notice. So there'll be a separate page. That's where it'll be. Let's say this is good to go. Hit submit. Give it a second. Do you want to create another notice? No, I'm okay right now. And then there you go. And it has been made. Right now it's not hooked up, but eventually everybody involved will get an email and a hard physical copy will go to the tenant. So let's say you log on, you want to check this guy out. Check out this warning. Click the edit, here you go. You're able to see everything that is contained within that warning. So they know what you did. You have your document, basic information. You can go right here. We have a basic log. So let's say I went boom, there you go. Cleared it up. Let's say it's all good and done. Right now we don't have the options, but there's the option to escalate. Then you can move up to the next type of warning, and then there'll be an option to close it and end it. So that's that. So that is the basic functionality of our violations app. Right now it's super basic. I am currently working on modularizing this and putting it into a agent workflow to just let agents take care of it, so you can just simply type in. So that is our violations app. So the next app I want to show you, which is also partially related, is our beneficial ownership interest form. So last year, government came out, FinCEN Department, Financial Crimes Division said companies need to report a certain document, which is a beneficial ownership interest, essentially telling the government who owns partial stake in a company. And since homeowners associations are entities, people are coming and going on their boards quite often. So what this application can do is safely and securely automate and streamline that process. So you have an HOA, We'll take this one for example. So here we go. You can see these are all your business entities. You can see how many forms you've received, how many are still pending, and the overall status. So right here for HOA, you can see we have two people. We have Colin and John. Looks like both of us have completed our forms, and we have completed our filing, seen right here by the status. So let's come down here. We have a little history table that is associated with this entities table. So we can see right here on the 29th at 4:03, it was rejected. On the 29th, again, it was rejected, but on the 28th, it was passed. So we're able to see it passed, the process ID, which is can be used for pulling more information from the government. This one was rejected, so we're able to see the message right here. So it looks like, oh, it was already filed. Let's say there was a message that the user needed help with. You can easily click this. It can take you right to the FinCEN website so they can put in a request. This is a button that allows you to download the official transcript. So how does this work? You create a entity, you create your beneficial owners, and then what you're going to do is you're going to email and text both of them a form. So I have that right here for you. So this is what your email will look like. You've been requested to fill out your form, gets your name, all your information, kind of gives you a brief overview of what you need to do. Click there to start. Takes you to a very, very basic form. And then here's where you can enter a FinCEN number or upload an image of your driver's license. So here, if you upload an image of your driver's license or passport, we use Azure's ID document intelligence model to strip all the information from it and pull it for our form. I don't have any fake images right now, so I will just put in a fake FinCEN number to get us through. There you go, perfect. So this is kind of like what the form looks like. No need for this because we have our FinCEN ID, but this is where we would return all the information that we pulled from the document. So we're able to get the user's personal information and also their ID information. So right here, you have to, this is just another option. You got to accept the terms of service, which you can easily click. Come check out our terms of service. So I want to accept that. I also want to confirm that all the information is correct, and then I want to submit. There we go. Thank you for using NovaAI's filing service. So let's go back. Come right here to our fake entity. Let's refresh. Go back to our fake entity, and there we go. Colin Morrison, my information was submitted. I'm able to edit the person's information, able to edit the entity's information, all very quickly, simply, and securely. We store all the person's extracted information encrypted in MongoDB, along with the image in Azure Blob Storage. So these are just the first two products that we have built. The eventual end goal is a basic chatbot-like experience that has agents that essentially process workflows and do all this stuff for you. So this is only the first step, and we have so much more planned. Thank you so much.